3:28 a.m. 3 weeks later. 346 minutes later.
On an OJ beat, and I did another song. This is actually on an original beat, but it's, you know, in the freestyle vibe. It's still, you know, freestyle type things. So that's all in preparation of, you know, of course I'm working on the album for you guys. Hi Halle Berry. I'm working for the album. I might have looked upon a couple new little things for the album yesterday too. So the album is coming soon. The documentary is as well. I'm really excited for you guys to see the documentary. I know you're gonna love it. Hi Beanie Man, I love you. But no, you guys, I didn't want you to be thinking about this as some, oh my God, we gotta, you know, this is Nicki's lead single. No, to answer your questions, because I saw a lot of you guys asking that on Twitter. It's not. But it is very, very important. So, a couple things. Hi Mingli. Hi Courtney. A couple things. Papa Bear is doing great. I love Papa Bear. Yesterday, Papa Bear said, two days ago, he said, "Mama." What's so funny? He said, "Mama." And I happened to be recording him. I was like, "Say it." And he kept on saying, "Mama, mama." And he was like yelling at me because I didn't realize he was saying it a bunch of times until I went back and played the video. And I said, "Oh, I see why my little baby was yelling at me, because Mama wasn't hearing him saying mama all them times." And yes, so he said mama. I might put that out because it's so cute. But then on the other hand, it's, you know, it's like my baby, and I don't know yet. I'm so overprotective. I'm Mama Bear. So those are the 3 joints. If you are on my mailing list, I did a really dope little letter for you guys that you will get. You will get a letter from me. It's going over a few things that just went down in the last few months for me. As always, I have to tell you guys that I fucking love you so much. Hi Tamar. Because you always make me feel happy. Even when I stay away for a long time, you always make me feel happy. This little hiatus was really fun because I was, you know, in mommy mode, but also I went through like this crazy little writer's block for a second. And if you are an artist, no matter what you do, like, you know how crazy it is when all of a sudden, like, you can't really flex your art the way you used to. So I did go through a little bit of writer's block. And I was like, damn. And then all of a sudden, I got... You know what? I hit Drake and I asked him, I was like, "Yo, I'm doing this mixtape. Who got the hottest shit out right now? Who should I jump on? Blah, blah, blah." And he was like, "Here." So he sent me something. So that's one of the things that you will hear tonight. It's called Seeing Green. That was, Drake sent it to me and asked me to get on. Oh, you got the nerve to be on my live, Drake? You better call me right the fuck now. It's going down. The GOAT is on the motherfucking line. What's up, the GOAT? Ooh, I'm sorry, y'all. Can you see my snot coming down?
No, but you need the tissue. You guys are giving me some tissue?
Y'all, my snot is coming down because right before I got on live, I got a really beautiful surprise that I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to tell you guys about it, but it was so sweet. I just couldn't stop crying. So after I did my makeup, I had to redo a little bit under my eyes and my nose because someone that I fucking love so much sent me the most sentimental, meaningful, beautiful thing, card and flowers and stuff like that. But when I read the card, it made me super super emotional. But so how can I call Champagne Pappy? Cause he getting on this live. Y'all tell me how to do it. I don't know how to do it. Y'all know I'm dumb.
You gotta find his name.
You gotta find his name.
Tell him to write something.
Yeah.
He probably gonna hide now. He like, bitch, I ain't say all of that now. Where he at?
He gotta write something and we hit his name.
And they told me not to do it like this too, but I wasn't planning on adding anybody. Drake, type because I'm adding you. You can't run away. You've already shown yourself. And it's moving. It's so many people that I can't even pinpoint it. And this happened. This always happened, child.
Yeah, that's a lie. He's not even commenting though.
Mm-mm.
Well, if I pause it and text, can I will they still be there or will I come off of it?
They'll still be there if you pause it.
Yeah. Can they wait for a second?
Yeah, you wanna do it.
A few inches later.
What's this time?
Hi, Drake! Yay! I'm out here. What's up?
Where you at?
In these streets.
You're in the blood clot streets. I
In the
started blood
black
clot,
clad
y'all.
streets. Yo, Nicki Minaj dropping music tonight?
No, I didn't.
Oh, you did? You gotta get hit, bro. Come on, man. What's up, man?
So
Nicki
Drake.
Minaj dropping some new songs tonight?
Beat you.
For music
Come on, man.
tonight.
You gotta get hit. Huh?
Okay, y'all.
I'm
So
I'm
it's
I'm from
OG motherfucking always in the motherfucking building. The
I'm
GOAT is
doing
on
your
the motherfucking line. What up? Like, don't
what up?
nobody ever come motherfucking. Y'all not seeing him. Y'all not playing with him as the
Your street
motherfucking
pro
artist of the decade and all of that. What's really good? Young fucking Money, YMCMB, Lil
Oh, I like that.
Lil
Oh, I like
Tucci
that.
on the motherfucker. Hey.
I like that. Damn, I like when you go off like that.
Oh, okay, yeah, because I was gonna get him some Queen Radio vibes thing. So basically, since it's like 5 more minutes left.
Yeah.
So I was telling them that you sent me this record called Seeing Green.
That's right.
What made you think I would sound good on that?
I mean, it had been. Well, can I say who else is on it or no?
It's a surprise.
Okay, all right. Well then, it's just been a really long time since that
Since
link
that
up at.
moment.
Yeah, it was just it didn't feel right with you not being on it. That's really the best way I could put it. It was like, it was fun the other way, but it's epic this way, you know. So we just, you know, I had some real heart to hearts with you lately, like just about the fact that it's like, it's just your world. Nobody does this shit better than you, and it's like when you're gone, you know, obviously Papa Bear's here now, so we are, you know, we understand the priorities, but you know, when you're gone, I'm not gonna lie, like I'm sure I speak for everybody in the live when it's like, yo, we really miss you. Like we really miss your presence, and just like we miss the bars, we miss the excitement that you bring. So it's like, you know, I just like, I've been on you lately to just, you know what time it is, and you know I'm coming over this weekend too, so
Y'all
so
blood
we can
clot
get to
lie
work.
enough. Y'all two blood clot lie.
No, I'm really there.
This man been saying he was coming to my house for the last 2 weeks, y'all. So
No, that's
now
true.
y'all gotta make sure he come over here. While I lied to him, I swear I did this. He kept on lying, so I was like, yo, no, I'm cooking for you this time. I'm cooking steak, shrimp, and all of that. And he still stood me up. I said,
No,
listen.
I didn't stand you up. That's not you. Don't make me sound like that.
All right, no, but listen, on the real shit, I love you so much, Drake. Like, so just let me tell y'all the real shit. I was gonna say it, but I didn't want to say it too much. He single-handedly got me out of my writer's block, and I'm never gonna forget it. And I'm gonna shout it to the fucking world on the mountaintops, because that's the real shit. That's my hand to God. He sent me something, and it made me feel so competitive again. I was like, yo, what the fuck am I doing? Like, you need to start writing. And
Facts.
whenever I hear Drake and Wayne rap, it's always going to inspire something in me. But outside of Drake's raps, it's his like pep talks. He'll send one text that'll make me really like reevaluate everything. He's a fucking genius as a musical artist, but also just as a human. Like, please, everybody know that. Like, that's real shit. Like, that's not
very
no fake shit. And so I love you very much. You guys, the song is about to come out. I'm gonna try to go live tomorrow, y'all. I know I didn't get a lot of time because somebody came extra late. I'm not gonna say no names, Tay, but he played his fucking stupid ass fucking self, as always. But you guys, go and listen to Seeing Green featuring the two GOATs, Drizzy Drake and Little Motherfucking Wayne. Go
I'm
get
gonna pull
that
up.
Beat Me Up Scotty right now. Go listen to Fractions. And
Yeah.
Drake said Fractions is a fucking slap. So
It
that
is a
means
slap.
it's a fucking slap.
And tomorrow I'm pulling out my my YMCMB sweatshirt, the old one with the Birdman logo on it, like just for, you know what I'm saying, just because. But
Yo, I
listen,
have some
listen,
YMCMB slippers.
listen. I'm in the middle of the street, but I just want to tell you this. I love you with all my heart, and I'm glad that you got in your bag for this re-release. But you know what time it is now. I'm not taking. You know, I'm not gonna say too much on here, but it's that time. So I'll be there this weekend. I love you.
I love you too, Drake. Okay,
All right.
bye. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
All right, you guys, bye. I love you so much for tuning in. God bless you. It was a lot more stuff that I wanted to say, but we ran out of time. But you guys, check out the music and let me know how you feel about the music. I'm wishing you guys all the best. Was there anything else I needed to say? Not that I can think of. Go check out the music, you guys, and let me know what you think. I love you dearly, okay? Bye. Oh, we got